Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW 1 Series grille. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit and a T20 Torx screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure your car is completely off and cool to the touch. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. This ensures a smooth and safe removal. Now that you're ready, open your BMW's hood. You'll see the top retaining clips positioned along the upper edge of the grille. Take your plastic trim removal tool and carefully insert it to pry open each of these clips. Once the top clips are released, gently pull the upper part of the grille slightly forward. This action will give you better access to the lower clips. With the top clips free, it's time to tackle the lower ones. Carefully reach behind the grille assembly to find the remaining retaining clips located at the bottom. Apply gentle but firm pressure to each of these lower clips, releasing them one by one. It's crucial to ensure every single clip is fully disengaged before you try to pull the grille completely out. Take your time here. Finally, with all the clips released, you can carefully pull the grille straight out from the bumper assembly. Take a moment to inspect the area for any debris or potential damage, ensuring everything looks good. And hey, while you're sprucing up your ride, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.